In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send USDC with Sendwave. If you're new to this, don't worry. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit Sendwave's official website. This platform allows you to send money effortlessly, but to do that, you'll need to sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. Once on the homepage, you will find a button labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click that. Now fill in all the required details in the sign-up form. This will usually involve entering your email address, creating a strong password, and perhaps adding some personal identification details. After everything is filled out correctly, click on the Sign Up button again to create your account. After completing the sign-up process, Sendwave will ask you to verify your mobile number. This is a crucial step for security reasons, so ensure the number you provide is correct and accessible. You'll receive a code via SMS. Just enter that code in the provided field to verify your phone number. The next step is to create a PIN. This adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, ensuring no one but you can access your account. Choose a memorable PIN you're comfortable with, then click on Create PIN. You'll need to re-enter this PIN to confirm it. With your account set up, you're now ready to send USDC. To start, locate the menu option that says New or something similar to initiate a transfer. You will then want to click on the person icon, which will direct you towards managing your recipients. Once selected, you'll find the withdraw option ready to guide you in transferring funds. Click on it, and then you'll have the chance to choose your payout method. It could be to send USDC directly to a bank account or another suitable service, depending on what Sendwave offers. When you've decided on a payout method, enter all the necessary details accurately. This generally involves inputting the recipient's banking information or wallet address if you're sending to a digital account. Double check for correctness before moving on. To specify how much you'd like to send, type the amount of USDC you are transferring. You may want to review exchange rates if applicable to ensure you're comfortable with the final payout. Once everything looks good, click Review Transfer. This option allows you to see all the details and confirm everything was entered correctly. If you're satisfied with the information displayed, click Confirm Transfer to complete the transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully sent USDC using Sendwave. With these instructions, you can now easily manage your digital currency transfers confidently and securely. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for all your digital transaction needs.